Every Sunday, I clean up my charts and I mark out my key supply and demand zones for all of the major stocks that I like to watch. In this video, I'm going to show you guys some great opportunities, some great setups that I see for this week. All I ask for is for you to like this video and to subscribe for the algorithm. Let's go on the charts. Alrighty, guys, the first stock on our list is Tesla. So Tesla had a insane earnings. So Tesla had amazing earnings. It gapped up over 20%. It ran over 20% in the past couple days, but we can see right now, if I go to a 60-minute time frame, Tesla is testing this key level at 272 right now, this key supply level. We can see we came near that level a couple times on Friday and we rejected that level. So right now for Tesla, I'm waiting for that breakout of that key level or a retest of a demand zone. I like the breakout like this, and then for us to hold this level or a continuation above that 272 level. If Tesla starts to push back though, I like this level right here, which is around that 262, 263 level, which is the close on Thursday, which became the hold on Friday. So we can see that demand level right there, which is beautiful, which is something that I always look for, where I see a rejection of a supply level, then I see that breakout, retest, and those buyers hold that level for that continuation. And this level becomes our new level of demand for that continuation higher for Tesla. So that is the levels I'm watching for Tesla. Next on our list is Amazon. So if I go to a 60-minute time frame for Amazon, we can see Amazon is testing this 190 area. So this 190 area, this is our old demand zone turned into supply, and we are rejecting this area many times. Those sellers are stepping in every time we attempt to break above that 190 level. So what I'm watching for today is what happens if Amazon comes to that 190 level. Are those sellers going to step in and push this thing right back down? For buyers, there's a couple areas that we have. So we have this level right here, which is around that 187 level, which is the area that we traded last week. So I'm watching this 187 level to see if those buyers will step up, or this 185 level. So this 183 to 185 level, this would be the major demand zone. This is the area where we've seen those buyers step up on Wednesday and push this thing higher up. So 184, 185 is the main area for demand, and that 190 area is the area we need to watch for sellers to step in. What buyers want to see, what the bulls really want to see, is that breakout and the hold of that 190 and to finally continue higher to all-time highs. So that's Amazon. Now, next on our list is Meta. So Meta has been trading beautifully between our supply and demand zones. We have this 585 level. So we have this 585 or this 582 level. So this was a old demand zone, which we can clearly see right here. Those buyers have held this level very well. When we finally lost this level right here, we can see sellers stepped in every single time that we attempted to break this level. Now for Meta, if we start approaching this level at 582, this is where I'm going to be watching for those sellers to step in and try to reject that area. And we can see that happened late in trading on Friday. Now for buyers, they want to see us hold this level right here around 568. They've done it before. The major demand would be if we move a little bit lower around 564. So that is the area of demand. That's the area the buyers want to see us hold. If we see Amazon lose this level, that would not be good. So if Amazon loses this 562 level, that's going to be a hard level to recover from. We can see that we slightly started dipping below, but those buyers immediately stepped up and pushed this thing higher. So that's what they want to see, that buyers step up at those major demand levels. Next is Apple. Apple, it doesn't get that much more clear. So Apple, we have this all-time high right here around 237, and we can see Apple right now is struggling to break this level, but it's going lower and picking up buyers. So this thing is going lower, but it's picking up these demand levels right here around 227. Around 227, I like Apple. So you can see this 227 level. This is a strong break and retest level for Apple that we are holding above. So if Apple starts to dip to this level, I like this level for Apple to hold and to continue higher to all-time highs and maybe even break all-time highs. So 227 is the major level for demand that I like to see for Apple. And then now we're going to segue right into Nvidia, which has been the better stock overall for the S&P 500 for this week. So we can see Nvidia has made some very clear demand zones. This 137 level right here, this was a area that we attempted to break. So this 137 level, we can see this is an area we attempted to break. Those sellers stepped in, refused to break us higher. But now that we finally broke above, that demand is there. We can see here, I believe this was on Wednesday, those buyers stepped up and they are holding this level. Now, this is all-time highs right here. We came near that level on Friday, but we're not able to break above. So Nvidia, if it needs more buyers, if it needs more liquidity to break higher, then it's going to search for that liquidity at the demand levels, which would be 137. So pullbacks, I like Nvidia. And if this thing sees a real nice pullback, then that 130 level would be a level that would be hard to not buy Nvidia. So this 130 level right here, this was that breakout. So we can see breakout, retest, hold, and right here we can see that hold of that demand level. So that 130 level would be the major area for Nvidia that I have on watch for this week, and I would love to be a buyer at that level. And that is all for our watch list for this week. A lot of great setups. We also have earnings coming this week. So watch, make sure you guys are aware of what stocks are reporting earnings and what time they are reporting earnings. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.